After the hour, we're continuing our series this morning on jobs here in the Lowcountry that may not require a four-year degree. Yesterday, we learned about the opportunities available in automotives, and today it's a career that prides itself on being the hottest job around, or actually the coolest, depending on the season. News 2's Colby Thielen joins us now in studio with a look at these jobs and the training programs created to fill them. Good morning, Colby.
Hey, good morning. Well, during Lowcountry summers, these guys and gals are responsible for help keeping you cool. And while a career in this field doesn't require a bachelor's or a master's, they are always concerned with the degree. Today, we take a look at the air conditioning and refrigeration industry.
One fellow told me it was a lucrative trade, and it definitely is.
For those who like to stay comfortable no matter the season, this career is a necessity.
From the smallest residential unit to high-rise buildings, they all have to be air-conditioned and dehumidified and heated.
That's why these students gather twice a week at Trident Technical College, learning the ins and outs of a trade that fewer and fewer people seem to be joining.
A lot more work than there are technicians.
Program Director Presley Baker says the work is only increasing in the Tri-County area as people continue to move here.
Neighborhoods are going up, and for every home there's 1 to 2 air conditioning units.
In this class, they learn the formulas, instruments, and mechanics to properly diagnose, troubleshoot, and fix the units that keep our food fresh and our minds at ease.
They'll start somewhere in the $15 range as a helper and then go up from there. I know of some technicians that have made $100,000 working for another company.
And there's even more opportunity for those who decide to start their own business. Baker says he sees new ones opening monthly.
It's actually a perfect balance of science. You're actually dealing with electrical, you're dealing with fluids, which is actually refrigerants, and you're dealing with mechanical because your duct work and all that is mechanical. So it's actually like 3 fields tied almost up into one.
So for this class, there's no need to put on airs, only help it flow, because a year here means they'll be ready to take a job in any climate.
Put on airs to help it flow. I like what you did there.
Boy, on weeks like this, aren't we so thankful for people in this industry?
Absolutely.
Keeping us cool. And, you know, the cool thing about it, too, is they also have high school apprenticeships for students. And they can come in the afternoon. They're taking the same classes that people would be at night or in the morning. They can actually use that toward an associate's degree, and a lot of them even get jobs before they graduate from high school.
Cool. And Colby, now are these jobs mostly for residential homes?
A lot of people are usually working on residential. You think about air conditioning units for homes, but there's also a great way to expand into commercial. Because you think about hotels, I mean, they got to keep these cool. Also, commercial refrigeration if you're thinking about the restaurant industry. So there's a lot of ways you can branch out here, a lot of different things you can go into.
All right. Thank you, Colby.
Thank you.
Good job.